The passenger side front window on this SUV will not roll down or up because Trailblazer. I got the key on. I got nothing. You actually hear some clicking, but obviously it is not rolling the window down. I've already replaced the power window in this door. I did that a while back and it worked for a while, but now it's suddenly not working. Alright, so to get the window to come down, my wife would pull the panel up and she'd turn the unit just a little bit and hit the button. And this would work 8 times out of 10. Now it's working 0 out of 10. Now it won't work at all. I think the issue is in this panel itself, this module in the back. I don't think it's the power motor. So what I'm going to do is pull this panel out of the parts Trailblazer, and just going to yank that out of there and swap it over and see if that does anything. And hopefully we'll be able to get this window to come down. I'll use a screwdriver to pull up these tabs. Pretty easy. Okay, I'm going to reuse this trim piece. I'm just going to take this module off of the parts Trailblazer and snap it in and reuse the piece that's in our Trailblazer. The good thing about having a parts Trailblazer is all these good parts are in it, but everything in that parts Trailblazer is absolutely filthy. The person that owned it was a pet owner and a smoker, and so I'm going to keep this one since it's clean. So I'm just going to get a little screwdriver, go through and pop all these little tabs. Pry this puppy out. I already did it with the parts Trailblazer and I cleaned it up a little bit. I'll go ahead and snap that all back into place. Alright, we're ready to install it back in the Trailblazer. Okay, we'll just find our connectors, plug them all back in their appropriate spot. Hit the key. Oh, here goes nothing. Moment of truth. Hey.
Nice.
Bada bang. All it took was a new little module thing on the back side of the trim piece. The wife's gonna be happy.
Like a boss.